For those in HOLO, current price is 286. In the after hours of January 8th, we did see a move from 212 all the way to 286. Now, you might be wondering, where are we headed to? What can we expect, right? Just know that for the previous couple of days here on the 15-minute chart, we've been in a bearish crossover. And if I switch over to the 5-minute chart, we finally are in a bullish crossover. I was calling out a move towards the downside for HOLO, right? I just didn't know where we would bottom out. But if we zoom out, I thought we would bottom out closer to 130. Looks like I think we potentially bottom out at about 211. So still a dollar gap, right? However, if we're looking to the 5-minute chart, there is a bullish crossover forming in the after hours here. So look for a topside or upside movement going into Friday and going into the following week. So between January 9th all the way to January 17th, what I would keep an eye out for is a price all the way tested towards right around $4.56. Okay, I'll go ahead and take a screenshot so I can show you. So here's the screenshot, and here is where we are right now. What I would keep an eye out for either going into Friday or next week is a price testing towards 456 there. Okay, once this resistance breaks above, that's what we want to keep an eye out for, right? Obviously, I can't predict if it's going to be guaranteed to break above or not, but if we do break above 456, the next level of resistance I would keep an eye out for then is closer towards $7.13. This is the price move that you would want to keep an eye out for going into the following week here for HOLO, potentially even the remaining up this month, especially if we start to see more volatility for HOLO. If you want more alerts like this, our live entries and live exits, be sure to join our Discord. It's free to join. The free to join link is in the description, and then if you scroll down a little bit more, there is a 90% off discount for our Patreon. So if you're looking to join our Patreon membership to support the community and to also see our live entries and exits, be sure to join the Patreon, all right? It is 90% off discount today, so feel free to come on in. Limited spots available as well. Last thing I want to note is I'm going to go ahead and zoom out here into the daily chart, right? Really hard to see, but the 200 EMA is at 55 bucks. Now, you might be thinking that's insane. We're obviously not going to test those levels, right? The thing about HOLO and what's so crazy is the EMA is such a big difference on the daily chart. So on the top left here, you can kind of see right here, the 50 EMA is at $3.19. So we're currently at 286. If we test and break above 319, which is the 50 EMA, we could potentially be seeing a price test towards the 100 EMA. Now you can see in the middle here, the yellow one, the 100 EMA is at 945. Now another break above 945, that's when you can see a potential spike all the way up to 55.60. Okay, that's what this is zoomed out for. You can barely see anything, but that's something to keep an eye out for HOLO for sure. So going back into the 4-hourly chart, you can kind of see that we are all the way down here in the 286 range. That's what I would keep an eye out for, especially for HOLO upside movement. That's why it's so exciting. And you know, I'm unbiased here. I'm telling you right now, I have zero position in HOLO, but we do have folks in HOLO in our Discord, so that's why I'm also making this video. And for you guys who are curious what to expect next for HOLO. Obviously, this isn't financial advice. This is just my personal opinion and speculation. I could definitely be wrong, but feel free to join our Discord as we do discuss about the stocks there, including HOLO. Thanks for watching, all right?